Hello and welcome to Random Tech. I'll be showing you guys on how to mine on Android using XMRig Android. In this video, I will be using code to mine XMR node. I am not sponsored by anyone, and this video is educational purpose only. Let's get started. Head over to Play Store to download XMRig for Android. Click to install, and wait until install is done. Now launch the app, get to the app on the top bar menu, navigate to Settings. Then click on small blue taskbar icon and select Add Configuration. Now name whatever you want on your project name, and since we are using code, ensure clicking Advanced Mode. For the source code, I have added a link to the source code in GitHub, which you can copy and paste. Head over to GitHub. Find xmrig for Android.txt file to copy and paste the code. For this mining, I will be using Monero pool. Link will be in description below. Note: mining on smartphone, they have limited capabilities. When choosing a pool, I suggest you to choose a pool with less difficulties. The code from GitHub also will have a default pool from Monero. You can either use that or change your choice. Important information. Here the code is coded so that the mining will run on light mode to prevent app crashing and restart or other issue to device. But if you are using high capability CPU processor, you may change certain code such as light mode to fast for high-end, setting huge pages to true, increasing attribute max size, and enabling nice hash to true. You can read the README instruction on GitHub to change high-end CPU configuration. The default mining address on GitHub is my mining wallet. Feel free mine on my wallet or donate some as contribution. Appreciation is much thanks. Once edited, please ensure saving the code by clicking on top right blue menu icon and click Save. To start mining, navigate to Miner on top left, then select your saved configuration profile and click on Start. Now, head over to Logs on bottom right to check on the mining status. Give a few minutes, and you will start to see mining hashrate speed displayed. This means the mining has started on your device. You also can monitor the mining on the dashboard. It displays live hash rates, difficulty, and total hash rates. That's all from Random Tech. Lastly, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Hope your code works and happy mining.